Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So how are you all doing? So today's video is a much requested video because I do keep getting a request to make lehenga videos, so I thought I'll make one. And in this video, all the lehengas that you're going to see are one of the best rated lehengas on Flipkart. They have the highest rating, more than 4 stars out of 5. So video is going to be worth, so do watch it till the end as I'm going to show you 3 lehengas which are best rated. And before that, do subscribe to my channel, do press the notification bell, and do like this video if you like it. So let's see the unboxing. The very first one is, and I haven't opened them yet, so we will be opening and seeing them together, like how actually are they. So they came in this package like this. This is the first lehenga that I'm going to show you. And the prices I will be mentioning it here, so like for how much I got it. So first, if we see the dupatta, which is of pink and blue contrast, and it is very pretty. See how the work looks good, and on the back side also the finishing is good. In the center it has these embroidered flowers, as you can see here. And it does look quite good length dupatta. I think it's almost 2 meters, so it's a good length dupatta. It's even quite broad. The net looks good quality, and the embroidery is also pretty fine, not of that bad quality for the price. Even the embroidery looks good. Now let's move on to the choli, if I can find where it is. So the choli is attached inside the lehenga. So this is the top front part of the choli, which looks pretty good actually. It has nice embroidery, and the embroidery is of a good quality without threads hanging loose or any such thing. Dark navy blue color with contrasting pink and blue color dupatta. If we talk about the skirt of the lehenga, it's like around this much, and the embroidery on the skirt itself is same as it is on the top, and it's pretty. On the side it has this lining attached, which is of the same blue material. And here we can see the embroidery, which is properly secured with the use of a paper. The color combination is awesome. The quality looks good, and the embroidery done on this one is pretty beautiful. So I would definitely, I also give it like 4 stars out of 5. Okay, now let's unbox the other second lehenga, which is this one, and I haven't opened it yet. So let's open it together here. I'm gonna cut it off from this side. Let's see. Wow. This is the invoice. Okay, so this one was for $12.39. So this is the one. Second lehenga that I'm going to open in box. Pinkish orange type of dupatta that you can see here. It doesn't have any work in the center, but on the side it has this, same as the lehenga, the same patti they have attached to the dupatta. And in the center it has nice soft net material. This one is quite soft than the other one. They are like different kind of net. This is more soft net, and the other one is little stiff net. So this is the dupatta. Let's see the length of this one. Okay, so this one looks a little short in length as compared to the first lehenga. So if I compare the dupatta lengths of both of them, this one is a little bit shorter than this one. This has few inches more to it. Now let's move on to the choli of this one. For this one too, the choli is attached with the skirt of the lehenga, and this is how it looks. It is pretty beautifully embroidered and brown color, dark brown color lehenga with contrasting embroidery of pink and red color embroidery, as you can see here. And if you see the back side of the choli, that's totally plain. It doesn't have any embroidery, and for the sleeves they have given this embroidery in the sides. Now let's see the skirt of this lehenga. The embroidery looks pretty nice actually. The embroidery is done beautifully. So this is how it looks. This much is the ghair. It's same as the previous one. The back side, it doesn't have any kind of lining as the previous lehenga had. It's like plain simple like this one. No lining, nothing. Material of this lehenga is the satin silk color, so it is a little bit heavy. So on its own also it's good, you can wear it. And the embroidery, if you see at the end of the lehenga, is pretty dense and super pretty. You can see here with pink and red flowers with golden details on the sides. The third lehenga that I'm going to recommend here is, I have already unboxed it in one of my previous videos. So it is one of the top rated lehengas that you can see if you go on Flipkart website. Link it in the description box. You can check it out in case you want to see and buy that one. It is also one of the best lehengas that I have unboxed till now, and it's also below 1500. These were the 3 lehengas that I wanted to show you in this video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, do subscribe to my channel, do like this video, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care, bye.